This is a 2007 Acura MDX. This crossover has a 5-speed automatic transmission, a 3.7-liter V6, and all-wheel drive. Its top features include a multi-link rear suspension, a navigation system, a rear-view camera, dual-zone climate control, XM satellite radio, aluminum wheels, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: traction control and stability control systems, memory settings for the seat's positions so you can recall your favorite alignment with the push of one button, cruise control, the Acura Link satellite communication system, leather seats, an electronic throttle, a rear spoiler, advanced compatibility engineering body structure, dual power seats, and the HomeLink transceiver can be programmed to use the same frequency as your remote opening devices, such as the garage door, the entry gate, or even the living room lights, enabling you to control them right from the driver's seat. Contact us today and schedule your opportunity to see this vehicle in person.
Continental Acura is a proud member of the Naperville Test Track. Visit us today for your best test drive experience ever.